Hello, everyone. I am back with a weekly log report regarding the Beer Money portfolio. And I'm going to talk about a few things today that I've noticed that I'm hoping and trying to see if some of you have seen as well. So, before I do that, I will show the cash out that I have done so far this week, and that is Bridge Money. And this is courtesy of that streak wheel. So they had removed the daily login that you get of, I believe it was 1 coin. If you had Earn Plus, it was 2 coins every day, and they replaced it with the streak spin. And the way that this works, as of a month and a half ago, is that after 2 days, you don't get any bonus at all. But then on the third day, you can start spinning a wheel. And the wheel will go from 1 to 100 coins, depending on where you land. And I landed on a 50. And because of that 50, it was just enough to get me over the line and cash out $4.17, as you can see the screenshot there. So that was great with Bridge Money. I think I also mentioned that I have gotten my bonuses as well. That has also helped. So far this month, I'm at $12.52 for Bridge Money. I am going to try to take part in some more of the bonuses. However, I have had to really ration my time with the Beer Money apps this last week due to medical complications and busyness at work. And just an alert here for iPhone users with Bridge Money. Just wanted to add this on. Apparently, you can get the Capital One shopping app for iPhone and get yourself 1,000 coins. You also have to download the mobile Safari extension as well. So if you get both, then you will get the 1,000 coins. Give it up to a week. A lot of these bonuses I managed to get like a week after. So if you don't get it after like a week, maybe a little more than a week, then contact Bridge. But yeah, I managed to get the my coin bonus, if you remember, about a week after I made it. So this is just an alert for those of you with iPhone. And speaking of, I'm going to go on a little bit of a tangent here and say that I'm probably going to make my next phone an iPhone rather than an Android, just because so many of you use iPhones, and because I'm going to plan to keep using these Androids for like the older phones for like other reviews. I do want to use and find out what other apps that they have at iPhone as well. Okay, so that was with Bridge Money. I'm going to move on now to Cashwalk. And with Cashwalk, I'm going to be cashing out on the next report. I do want to do a log on Monday. And maybe on that log, I could probably show like different apps, or at least a few apps, how to cash out if you don't know how to cash out of Cashwalk. It's one of my favorites, actually, because you get your gift cards immediately. And that is just great. Once you get 3,000 points, you get your $5 gift card. You can literally use it while you're walking in the store. Matter of fact, I literally did that with my last gift card. So kudos to Cashwalk for that one. So I do have an issue with Atlas Earth, and I'm not going to be talking about the Warship minigame or any of the minigame issues right now. The issue that I'm having, I'm going to show actually in a little bit. So let me get to that one, and then we'll talk about my current standing with Atlas Earth. Okay, so if I switch out from another Beer Money app, I'm going to go here, and you will see that there will be times where the bar lands at 99 point something percent, sometimes even 100%, and it just kind of stays there. And yeah, we're having an issue with that. I'm not quite sure if they're going to fix this or not, but it has been an issue that started for about a couple weeks. It is kind of annoying, especially when that clock resets and you want to get your 20-minute add-in as fast as possible. If you guys have been having that, let me know. I'm not quite sure what's going on here, but just wanted to point this out. And I am well aware that this will be fixed with a restart, but still, this is kind of annoying, and it does waste about a minute or so if you see this screen up on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead, restart this, do another add, and then get back to what we were doing with our log. And for Atlas Earth, I'm currently closing in at 129 parcels and getting 52.2 cents per day for it. I did get quite a few parcels last time with additional legendaries. I got one additional legendary, one epic, I believe a couple rares, and like 6 commons. with the Atlas Bucks that I currently had. It won't be too much longer now. I think just maybe another week or so, and I will have maxed out at 150. And then I'll talk about strategy going forward. Well, you can even see just how different it is now from when I started this on January 1st. And yes, I'm aware that I haven't done a wheel spin for a while, but the remaining parcels that I get, I'm planning on spinning and showing the spins. So from 130 on, I will start showing the spins, the last 21 spins. And then after that, I believe it's going to be badges on the way up from there. But I am going to start cashing out. I made that promise. I'm going to cash out $5 just to show that it does still cash out. Plus, it'll be nice for our portfolio as well. So right now, we're sitting at $16.23 a month. I fully expect this to be around $20 a month by the time we are done, or at least very close by it. I'm also going to try to get at least 10 more badges so I can get to tier 2. Anything I can to try to get this to $20 is my goal. Microsoft rewards, I am getting pretty close here with a $5 gift card again. This will be the second one for this month, and I think I will have just enough time to possibly get a third one. I believe it's going to depend on if, what bonuses I will get from my daily logins. So if I stay, I'll see what happens by the time the 29th rolls around. I will do a log probably at the end of the month anyway, so nothing to worry about there. I really wanted to do a lot more with MTurk. There have been a lot more available there. I've actually done about $3 worth today because I am actually feeling pretty decent and I'm actually able to do some of this and have time to do so. But a lot of the times I'm not able to do it. You're probably going to get a lot more right now with Amazon MTurk, especially as more and more research, more and more studies, and more and more marketing stuff starts coming in. And you should be able to get like, I don't know, $3, $4 a day easy just doing MTurk stuff for like 15, 20 minutes. OnePulse, I'm probably not going to get to $20 by March this time around. I have seen a significant cut in the number of questions that I have available to me on that one. A lot of you have been asking me about Cointoply. Why is it still green? There's probably other better ones out there, and the reason why it's still green is because I haven't had time to reevaluate a lot of these apps, which I'm trying to find time to do that, and I plan to do that sometime at the end of this month. I was going to have a Beer Money report out tomorrow, but that's probably not going to happen. I'm going to try to get it out, though, at the end of the weekend. We'll see what happens with that, but I also have that Neobucks review I got to do and a couple other things as well. Now with Swagbucks, it's been a little bit with Swagbucks since I've been able to get anything on like trivia bonuses or shopping bonuses, which are the two main things that I usually get with Swagbucks. Swagbucks doesn't really have too much in the ways of products that I'm interested in right now, so this is probably going to go up a little slowly. I don't expect I'll get a $25 one next month. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Unless, of course, I get this like deep discount on the monthly challenge, but I don't see that happening. Nothing on 1Q, and then with the receipt apps right here, not much has changed here because I don't really have too many receipts right now, but I am getting very close to cashing out $3 with CoinOut, and that's my plan. Is I'm going to cash out the $3 in Amazon gift cards and add it to the list here, since I do use the Amazon gift cards for something. With Receipt Hog, I'm pretty close to the $5 one on that one. 1,000 points is $5 on that one. Receipt Jar, still a ways to go there. And Frisbee, I can cash out now, but I'm waiting to see what the $5 mark brings if it gets me any more options for gift cards. Benjamin, okay, so something weird happened with Benjamin where there was no daily log in the last few days. However, today the daily login has come back. Not sure what happened there. But yeah, if the daily login, if that was just a glitch for a couple days, then so be it. But I have a feeling it's going to be the start of getting rid of that daily login, which I can sort of understand. 10 cents was much too high, but I still would like that daily login to show up for as long as possible. especially for others. And I'm going to start working on another game. I worked on life choices. If you got a good idea for a game with Benjamin, let me know in the comments section. That's going to be the question of the day, by the way. And the other app I want to talk about, Shopkick, I did a little bit of like walk-in, check-in stuff. Macadam, still a long ways to go. Pogo, still a long ways to go. But this app right here, Givey, I've started just kind of scanning into it. It's basically kind of like one of those watch rewards apps where you just watch something and you get rewarded for it. You get an ad every once in a while and you get points for it. The conversion is crazy. 1 million points to $1. I'm not even joking on that one. I'm at 614,000 and I need to get to 1,040,000 in order to cash out. $1.04, weird cash out with PayPal. Hopefully I'll add that to my cash out section once I hit that million points. But I haven't really played with it much for a while. This weekend I'm going to try to get over the line so I can get the cash out. Okay, so that's the end of the short update for this video. I hope you all have liked it. If you like this video, please give a like. Don't forget to comment on what game you think I should play with a Benjamin. Maybe I might even do a little Let's Play or something, a live stream Let's Play on it. And then don't forget to subscribe to Beer Money Engine. Gonna do something a little special at 2,000 subscribers. Go check out the community page and vote as well what you would like to see when we hit 2,000 subscribers and I do a 2,000 subscriber special. So I will see you all on Saturday with the Neobucks Beer Money review. Go check out another video here, and hopefully I'll finally have a little bit more time next week to do a couple more log videos and some other stuff. All right, everybody, I'll see you next time.